Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon jerky. First, select a good quality, thick-cut bacon for the best results. Slice your bacon into even strips, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, ensuring consistent drying. Next, prepare your marinade. A basic blend of soy sauce, a touch of brown sugar, and some black pepper works wonderfully to enhance the bacon's natural flavor. This initial preparation is key for delicious jerky. Once your bacon is sliced and your marinade is ready, it's time to let the flavors meld. Submerge the bacon strips in your marinade for at least 4 hours, or even better, let them soak overnight in the refrigerator for a deeper, more intense flavor. After marinating, arrange the strips on a wire rack. Make sure no pieces are touching or overlapping. This allows for even air circulation and proper drying. Place the rack on a baking sheet to catch any rendered fat. Now for the dehydration process. Preheat your oven or dehydrator to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet with the racked bacon inside. The cooking time will typically range from 2 to 4 hours, depending on your desired crispness and the thickness of your bacon. Remember to flip the bacon strips halfway through to ensure even drying on both sides. Your jerky is done when it's firm, chewy, and has a slight crispness, but isn't brittle. Once your delicious bacon jerky is perfectly dehydrated, let it cool completely on the wire rack. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and preventing condensation in your storage container. Store your cooled jerky in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, you can refrigerate or freeze it. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.